Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make delicious and easy matoke that you're absolutely going to love. So I'm going to get started by placing a pot over medium flame, add cooking oil, and then I'm going to add in my onions. As my onion is cooking, I'm going to be adding in some spices. So I'm going to add in some garlic powder, turmeric, paprika, some black pepper, and cumin seeds. Adding the spices at this point is going to let the spices cook together with the onions, hence the spices are going to be very aromatic. This smells so good. So I'm going to add in 2 large tomatoes, carrots, adding 2 seasoning cubes which are going to season my matoke. Let the tomatoes cook until mushy or cooked through. That is going to take about 1 to 2 minutes on medium flame. I love making this recipe because it's very easy to prepare and it's very healthy. Actually, this is a very healthy recipe. So I'm going to be adding Nduma or arrowroot, and also I have my matoke or green bananas. Yeah, I'm going to boil my matoke for around 5 to 6 minutes, and then I'm going to add in my Nduma so that the Nduma can cook together with the matoke, and I'll have some very delicious final result. It's been around 5 minutes and my matoke is cooked halfway. So this is how it's looking. It looks very delicious. I'm going to add in my Nduma and stir in. Add in a little bit of water, around half a cup, and then I'm going to let the arrowroot and the green bananas cook together until ready. Always check the seasoning. So I'm going to let this come to a boil and check my seasoning. Once I perfect the seasoning, or if the seasoning is perfect, my dish will be ready. So that will be a very cheap, easy, and delicious recipe. This is how my matoke is looking, and just look at that. Wow. The green bananas are ready, and also my Nduma is cooked and the seasoning is just perfect. So I'm going to garnish my matoke with some coriander leaves. Turn off the heat and then stir. Serve myself some of this delicious food. It's been an amazing 15 minutes and my lunch is ready, and I'm ready to eat because this looks so delicious. And I hope you try out this amazing matoke recipe at home and enjoy.